Why do people say, bless you, when you sneeze?
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Bless you.
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Are you okay? I think you might be coming down with a bad cold.
No, I'm perfectly fine.
Good morning, class.
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Bless you.
Professor, why do people say bless you when someone sneezes?
Saying bless you has become a tradition, as people have been saying it for a very, very long time. Sneezing could be an indication that you are not well. Maybe you are coming down with a cold, or it is an allergy. So, people wish you good health. But of course, you may be perfectly fine and even then sneeze.
Achoo! Achoo!
Bless you.
I am so excited. My father has brought a Christmas tree. We are going to put up our tree today.
That's so nice. We put up our trees 2 days back.